James, the story of Joseph in Genesis chapters 37 through 50 is just incredible, isn't it? Right from the outset, we see this really potent family drama unfold with Jacob's clear favoritism towards his son Joseph. It's the kind of thing that just sets the stage for monumental conflict.
He totally was. You can practically feel the brothers stewing, watching Joseph in that elaborate coat. And then Joseph himself, at only 17, wasn't exactly subtle about it. He goes and tells them these dreams where their sheaves of grain would bow down to his, and even the sun, moon, and 11 stars would bow to him.
Audacious is an understatement, Marcus. He was a bit of a show-off, let's be honest. And his brothers, they absolutely hated him for it. It wasn't a passing annoyance, it was a fundamental dislike, so profound they couldn't even speak a kind word to him. That kind of animosity is dangerous, and you just know it's going to lead somewhere dark.
Yeah, it really is. And you see that play out, when Joseph goes to check on them while they're watching the sheep. They see him coming and they're just like, here comes the dreamer. And the plot just thickens like instantly. They first want to kill him, right? But then Reuben, he's like, no, let's just throw him in a pit, which, is still horrible, but a step down from murder.
Right, a slight improvement, I suppose, if you can call it that. But still, the sheer malice of it. And then they sell him to Midianites. I mean, to actually sell your own brother into slavery, that's beyond anything, isn't it? And then they go and dip his beautiful robe in animal blood to trick their father. The deception there is just, it's chilling, isn't it? Poor Jacob thinking his son is dead.
It's absolutely chilling, James. And the thing is, it sets Joseph on this whole new, unplanned path. He's taken to Egypt, right? And he's sold to Potiphar, who's the captain of the guard. So he goes from being like the pampered favorite son to a household slave in a foreign land. But even there, Joseph, he has this way about him. The Lord is with him, and he prospers.
That's the incredible bit, isn't it? Even in that absolutely dire situation, he seems to excel. Potiphar notices, doesn't he? He puts Joseph in charge of everything. It's a testament to his character, I think, even as a young man. That resilience, that ability to just, make the best of a truly awful hand he's been dealt. It's quite remarkable, honestly.
Oh, absolutely. It's a huge testament. But then, his luck, it seems to just take another turn for the worse, doesn't it? Potiphar's wife, she tries to seduce him. And when he refuses, she falsely accuses him of attempted rape. So from favorite son to slave, and now he's in prison for something he didn't even do. You just think, can this guy catch a break?
Right? It's just one blow after another. It's just so unfair. But even there in prison, he still manages to, impress, doesn't he? He interprets the dreams of the cupbearer and the baker, and he gets it spot on. One back to Pharaoh's service, the other, not so fortunate. It's an incredible gift he has, isn't it? And you just hope, don't you, that someone will remember him?
Yeah, you hope so. But the cupbearer, he totally forgets about Joseph for 2 whole years. It's just, oh man, the waiting Joseph must have endured. But then Pharaoh himself has these really disturbing dreams, right? No one in Egypt can interpret them. And suddenly, the cupbearer, he's like, oh, wait a minute, I know a guy.
Ah, yes, finally, the penny drops. So Joseph's summoned from prison, just like that. And he interprets Pharaoh's dream about the 7 years of plenty and then the 7 years of famine. And the way he does it, the way he gives the advice, it's so powerful, isn't it? He doesn't just interpret, he tells Pharaoh what to do, and Pharaoh he just sees something in him.
Oh, totally. He sees something incredible in him. I mean, he's like, can we find anyone else like this man in whom is the Spirit of God? And just like that, James, Joseph is appointed second in command over all of Egypt, from prison to prime minister, basically. It's such an unbelievable, turnaround. He's put in charge of preparing for the famine, storing up all the grain during the years of plenty.
It's just mind-boggling, isn't it? The speed of it all. 1 minute, he's a forgotten prisoner. The next, he's basically running the most powerful nation in the world. And his advice saves them, doesn't it? It prevents absolute catastrophe. So when the famine really hits, Egypt is, it's the only place with food, which naturally brings people from all over, doesn't it?
Yeah, it totally does. And guess who shows up, right? Joseph's older brothers. They come to Egypt to buy food because the famine, it's hit their land too. And the thing is, they don't recognize him. I mean, it's been 20 years. He's an Egyptian official, he looks different. But Joseph, he recognizes them immediately. And he treats them harshly at first, pretending they're spies. He's testing them.
He is, isn't he? He keeps Simeon, makes them bring Benjamin back. It's a really clever play. A bit cruel, perhaps, but you can understand why, can't you? After everything they did to him. He wants to see if they've changed, if they've, grown. And also, I suppose there's that flicker of satisfaction, isn't there? Them bowing before him, just like in those dreams he had way back when.
Oh, for sure, James. That moment when they finally bring Benjamin and they're all there bowing before him again, it's got to be a really intense moment for Joseph. And then, after all these twists and turns, he reveals himself. Can you even imagine the shock on their faces? Like, our brother, the one we sold into slavery? He's the guy running Egypt? Oh man, that would have been something to witness.
Unbelievable. They must have been absolutely terrified, honestly, thinking, right, now he's finally going to get his revenge. But he doesn't, does he? He sends word for the entire family to come join him in Egypt. He's actually gracious. That's the powerful part for me, Marcus. After all that suffering, all that injustice, he's ready to forgive.
Yeah, he totally is. And even later, when Jacob dies, his brothers are still scared, They're like, okay, Dad's gone. Now Joseph's gonna get us. And they beg for his forgiveness again. And Joseph, he weeps. He's like, don't be afraid. Am I in the place of God? You intended to harm me, but God intended it for good, to accomplish what is now being done, the saving of many lives. That line, James, it gets me every single time.
Wow. That really is the heart of it all, isn't it? God intended it for good. It shows such incredible spiritual maturity and a profound understanding of, God's sovereignty. It's not about revenge, it's about this greater plan. It's such an important lesson for us, isn't it? To try and see the bigger picture, even when things are really difficult and unfair. It's about forgiveness, right? Absolutely powerful.
Absolutely, James. That truly captures the profound lessons. Joseph's narrative is packed with universal truths, forgiveness, complex family dynamics, and most powerfully, God's sovereign hand guiding every twist and turn, even through immense suffering. It's truly remarkable.
Indeed, Marcus, that's what resonates most. It provides a clear blueprint for our own lives. We all face injustice, and Joseph's choice to forgive, to trust in a greater divine purpose amidst the harshest trials, is a powerful example for us all. It's not easy, but it's essential.
It is. And his journey illustrates how even painful experiences can be divinely orchestrated to serve others. He was positioned to save many lives, including his own family. It's a profound message of redemption, hope, and unwavering faith, reminding us to keep trusting no matter what. It really is Marcus, a rich, timeless story with so many layers.
And I think that's a fitting place to conclude today, a story underscoring resilience, the transformative power of profound forgiveness, and God's sovereign grace at work. Thank you for these insights.